Hello and welcome to GridMate Learning Channel. In today's demo, we'll explore the Read-Only Fields feature after completing the last step of the config wizard. First, let's try to edit some fields. In this case, let's make the industry fields read-only. To do that, navigate to the Config wizard and click on the Read-Only Fields tab. Choose the fields that you want to make read-only. Then copy the configuration. Next, edit the Lightning page in the App Builder. Scroll down until you find the Read-Only Fields section. Then paste the configuration and click Save. Let's go back to the inline edit and see what we've changed. Perfect, now the industry field is read-only. Thank you for watching.